What's up, guys? Shine here. I am in the dark, playing some white noise. That's gonna be my facial reactions. So, yeah.
Wait, you're not actually recording the game?
Now I'm gonna record my face.
Okay.
I'm here with Cypress Games.
I wish I had a camera to do this, but I don't.
Well, you can record it, but you can't post it.
I can't upload it.
Yeah. So, let's do this. I'm probably gonna edit it and or I can't edit it, I'm gonna rewatch the video and see my facial fails. Okay, let's go. River. Beautiful sky.
Yeah, seriously, the sky is so pretty.
Ooh. It's a rock.
What? A rock?
Yeah.
A rock?
Yeah, a rock. What?
No!
I'm confused.
He was right there!
I got confused.
He was right there!
It's dangerous. Oh God.
Oh no!
Why do you leave me to go alone? It said.
Does that mean we're screwed?
It said it's dangerous to go alone.
Oh no! I'm dying!
You're dying?
I'm dying!
You
I'm
died?
dying!
You died?
Ah!
You died already? Wow.
No, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. JJ, help me!
I'm coming. Yeah.
The egg is over there.
It is? Oh, God, it's an egg. Run.
Yeah, that's what was killing me. I had no clue what it was.
Same here.
And then I saw the egg.
That's a big rock head.
JJ, I'm so scared. I'm pretty sure I'm about to pee my pants.
Oh, that's good.
I'm so scared.
I got a text from Ashton saying yo. Ooh. I found a tape.
You did it. Grab it.
Sorry, guys.
I don't do well with horror games.
Oh God, that scared the living crap out of me. It's chasing us. Did you die?
It's to our right. Where are you? JJ, where did you go?
I see you.
JJ, it's behind me.
It is?
Yes. It's like back there. Oh God! JJ, keep running. JJ, keep running.
Sorry for the bad quality of the light. They said turn the lights down low. Yeah, that's what I did. Actually,
my room's completely dark too. The only lights are coming from the Xbox. Oh! It's still behind us.
I don't see it.
Where is it?
You're just. Are you seeing things? Without seeing?
No, I'm not. My controller rattles every time I look back.
You're dead?
No, it's back there though.
I don't see it.
It's gone.
Shit.
That is not crazy.
It's making a fool of you. It's trolling you so hard. Ooh, tape. Found tape.
Can I pick it up? I want to pick it up. I want to pick one up before I die.
Yeah, pick it up. Okay, let's go. Before we die.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go anyway.
Oh, you know. That's an egg.
Yeah, that's an egg.
Yeah.
Where did you go?
What?
Where did you go? Oh, there you are. I lost you.
Wow.
Did you... What? Oh, there you are. Why did you turn your flashlight off?
I miss Cookie. Oh, shoot it. Shoot in my pate. You're kidding out your cookies. Those are funerals.
Run. JJ, where are you?
I'm a bat trap. That sucks.
Peter, where are you?
Where are you?
I can't see anything.
I'm too scared to turn around. Oh, yeah.
Peter, where are you?
Oh, it's right behind me.
Peter, come back.
I can't. It's right.
Come back.
It's right.
It's not behind you.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. I'm behind you.
That's such a lie.
I don't. Now it's making a fool out of you.
Okay, now it's
Please,
gone. Now it's
come
gone.
back.
That was scary. So, how's life? What? Oh god, it took you from behind. Oh god.
Why would you ask that? Why would you ask that? I died.
That was awesome.
Why would you ask how's life? I died.
Oh my god, that was cool.
I don't have a life.
Oh, that's weird. That was so weird. Like, I was like, how's life and how's your life and like, you died. Oh. It's a giant high five. It's symmetrical.
And there's a face in the ground too.
Yeah, really. Are you following me?
I'm right behind you.
I heard a jump scare fail.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, I'm dead again.
Yeah. This time it probably took like less time. Like my
I died so early. Oh my god.
Oh god, it's an egg. It's the egg again. Why is it? Ooh, it's salt. Ooh. Oh, what? I think turned off. Sorry guys, my headset turned off.
No, it didn't.
For some reason. Yeah, it did. I had to turn it back on. What?
I didn't hear anything.
That's an egg. Oh god! Wow. The thing trapped me between an egg and itself. That's messed up.
That's between an egg and a scary place.
Oh! Oh.
I just hear you start screaming, I look back and you're just like floating.
Well, thank you guys for watching my, me and, Craig and I's reactions and Craig screams and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.